Guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. So in today's video, guys, we are going to be unboxing the LIVEGlam Kiss Me subscription. This is my first time ever opening this up. This is my first monthly subscription with them, so I'm super excited to get into it. And if you guys want to stay tuned and want to know what's in there as well, then just go ahead and keep on watching. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I would love for you guys to join my family, and let's go ahead and get started.
First impression.
Alright guys, so let's go ahead and jump right into it. So I want to say thank you so much to my friend Yvette, because she's the one that actually got me on it. I saw her Snapchat some little lippies and they looked really cute. So I was like, girl, what is that? So she sent me all the information. So it happened to be this subscription, and it is called LIVEGlam Kiss Me. I guess it's a monthly subscription. I paid $19, $20, $19.99. So this is my very first subscription. First off, like, the packaging is so cute. Like, this is so freaking cute. But I haven't opened it, so this is gonna be my first time unboxing it and trying it on, and I really hope the colors work out for my complexion. And let's get into it because I'm so excited. I actually got this on the weekend, but I was super busy during the weekend, so I wasn't able to do a video. But man, I can't even open this. Okay, here we go. We are opening it. So it's like super secure. The packaging is so cute. I think the lips are like, they just stand out. They're so cute. All right, guys, if you guys have any more information on this, please let me know, because I'm pretty new to this, so I really don't know much about it other than they have really cute lipsticks and it's $19. What I did see on the website was that they have different subscriptions. Like, they have one for makeup brushes, for like eyeshadow palettes, and then this one that has lippies. And let me just say that this packaging is so freaking cute. So it comes like in this really pretty silky packaging. Little pouch is so cute. You can use it as a makeup bag or like a little goodie bag for somebody else later on. It's so cute. And then it just says LIVEGlam Kiss Me in the front. So that's super cute. Okay. Well, let me take everything out. So this is what we got here, guys. And I did get a free lippy because I'm a newbie to their subscription. So I guess if you're new, you get a free lippy. I'm not exactly sure on all the details, but I'll put the link down below. They did give me a referral link, so if you guys want to go check them out, use my link so that way they know that I told you about this. Anyhow, so here are the lippies, and we are going to start off with this one. I don't think there's any paper in here. Oh yeah, there is. Okay, here we go. Okay, so this is what the little card looks like. I'm sorry if this video is all over the place, but I'm fairly new to this, so I don't even know what I got myself into. So it says LIVEGlam Kiss Me, and it says Birthday Babe. So this is the subscription for the month of April 2020. We are now in May, so I guess I got the April collection. Oh, she's so pretty. Okay, and then in the back it says you're invited to the Kiss Me 3rd birthday party. Oh, I guess they've been around for 3 years. I'm barely finding out about this. So we are gonna get the shades Plain Jane, and that one looks like it's a gloss. We're gonna get a shade called Macaroon. We're gonna get a shade called Teddy Bear, and we are gonna get a shade called Muffin. Anyhow, so let's just jump in. Like, we'll go over this a little bit more towards the end. Let's talk about these little lipsticks. The packaging is so freaking cute. This is the first one, and it's like a frosted packaging on there with the gold letters, and the lid is also gold. Really pretty. So far, I think I like this color already just by the looks of it. But let's see. This is what it looks like. I'm gonna swatch it. Oh my god, me gusta este, está bien bonito. It's so cute. Okay, so this is the first one, and this one is called Teddy Bear. All right, so this one is Teddy Bear, and Teddy Bear says we may have a year older, but we'll always need our teddy bear. This matte chestnut lippy is ready to snuggle up after a long night of celebrating. So cute. Okay, teddy bear, we're gonna try you on. Let me put this on my lips. All right, guys, so here is the shade Teddy Bear on my lips. while so you guys can see what it looks like. I actually really like it. It's a nice matte shade. I think it's pretty universal. I think it would complement a lot of skin complexions. It's really pretty. I actually really like it. So far, I am impressed. We're gonna move on to the next shade. And the next shade is going to be this one right here. And this one is a lot lighter than Teddy Bear for sure. This one is in the name Plain Jane. And let's take it out. This is what it looks like. So it's definitely a lot lighter than this, and it's more of like a nude. Oh, also guys, when I was applying the matte liquid lipstick on my lips, I love the applicator. So it has like a little indent on it, and it just like, it fits perfectly. It applies the color evenly with the little applicator. So I actually really like it. And we're gonna swatch this one. Oh, this one's actually a gloss, and it's a really pretty gloss. Okay, so it's this one right here. We're gonna go ahead and take off Teddy Bear, which I don't want to take it off because I think it's gonna be a waste. But for this video, we're gonna take it off because we're gonna try all of these colors on. But anyhow, I'm pretty obsessed with Teddy Bear, I ain't gonna lie. But let's try this one on. I'll be right back. Okay guys, so here is a Plain Jane on my lips. This one is the gloss. I feel so awkward when I'm like, this is the color. Anyhow, so this one is Plain Jane, and this one was the gloss. I actually really like it. It's like a nice nude shade, like an everyday lip gloss shade. I'm not much of a gloss person though. Just because I talk so much, gloss just doesn't last. Like the longevity of a gloss just does not last for me throughout the day, and I hate reapplying, you know, just gloss onto my lips. But this one does feel really good. It's nice and smooth. It does not feel sticky at all. It just feels like nice and smooth, and my lips feel like a lot more hydrated than like my usual matte liquid lipsticks. But I love matte liquid lipsticks because of the longevity. I don't have to reapply so often as a gloss. But this one feels really good, and I'm feeling the color. It's really pretty. That's what I love about subscriptions, that you try out stuff that you would normally not buy for yourself. So I'm actually feeling Plain Jane. It's such a pretty nice color, especially for spring. Like you want to add some extra shine to your lips. Like this is a really nice color. It's really pretty. I'm actually feeling it. So with Plain Jane, it says, it is time for a birthday vacay. Don't catch flights without this delicious peachy gloss. So, oh, it's a peachy color. Okay. It's a peachy gloss, and wearing it is a piece of cake. So yes, it is a piece of cake. Also, it does kind of have like a little vanilla scent to it, and that's what I mean. Like I'll start eating it, and it actually tastes pretty good. But we're gonna move along to the next color, and the next two items that we have in our box, it's not a box, in our little subscription pouch is two of these. So these are gonna be lip liners. I'm gonna start off with this one, and this one is in the shade called Muffin. The packaging is so cute. Oh, it's so cute. It's like a little rose gold packaging, and it has like the hearts, and then the rest of the black part, it's like a matte shade. So the packaging is super cute. Packaging always just gets me. Oh my god, and the lip liner looks exactly the same as the packaging. So we're gonna go ahead and try this on as well. Oh, let me show you because I'm like getting so excited. This is what the shade looks like, but let me swatch it for you guys. Oh, it's so pretty. Okay, so it's this one right here, and that's a really pretty color. So you can even like outline your lip with the gloss, but knowing myself, I would probably eat it. So let me just fill in my full lips with this lip liner, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so here is the lip liner called Muffin on my lips, and it's really nice because it applies so softly, and it's super creamy. Like the texture of it is like nice and creamy and buttery. It just applied on so good. And this one's more of like it's kind of similar to this first one. What was it called? Teddy Bear? I think it was Teddy Bear. It's like similar to this. I would definitely outline my lip with this one first and then go in with the liquid lipstick. It is very soft. It's also very, very matte, and it feels comfortable on the lips. So I actually really like this lip liner. I'm not much of a lip liner person either, but I guess I will be now, now that I have these. But yeah, they applied really nice, and the consistency of it was really soft and creamy and buttery once you're applying it onto your lips. So yes, I am totally liking this. A little muffin. Was it called muffin? Can't keep up. Yes, it's called muffin. Can't keep up with the names, but yes, it's super pretty, and again, I feel like it complements my complexion. It's super cute, nude, neutral color that I would use like every day. Let's try on the next one. The next lip liner will be this one right here, and it's called Macaroon. Oh my god. Se me antoja uno de esos because they taste so freaking good. All right, so here is a Macaroon. Ooh, this one looks a little bit more pinkier. This is more of like a brown shade. So this one does look a lot more pinkier, but we're gonna go ahead and try it on. This is the shade. Let me also swatch it right next to the other ones. Oh yeah, it is applying super soft and smooth. Feels nice and creamy as well. So here is that one, Macaroon, and it is a bit lighter than the rest. Let's try it on our lips, see what it looks like, and I'll be right back. Guys, let me just say that these lip liners are super durable. It's like really hard to take it off just with the makeup remover wipe. So I actually have to go in with my little, ¿cómo se dice? Esta cosa. It's a lip scrub. I have to go in with the lip scrub to take it off, to like melt it off of my lips to try on the next shade. So I know that those lip liners are gonna be so good. Like the longevity of them is gonna be great. All right, take this off. Here's the lip color. Yeah, so far I know that those lip liners are gonna be great longevity wise. Okay guys, so here is the shade Macaroon on my lips. This is what it looks like, and this one's like a really nice pinky neutral but like mauve shade, and this one's like perfect for every day as well. The longevity, I'm pretty sure, is going to be super durable, and it dries right away. So I'm actually loving this lip liner as well. I think we're almost done. So I guess this is the full collection for the month of April. And it was the 2 lip liners and the lip gloss and the matte liquid lipstick. So it was these 4 were the monthly subscription for April. And then this last one is my freebie. Since I'm a newbie to their subscription, this is the freebie that I chose. And this one is in the shade, oh my god, I'm so blind. It's called Lucky Charm. We're gonna try this on our lips and I'll be right back. Okay guys, and this is what the last shade looks like. It is the Lucky Charm one. This one was the freebie. This is what it looks like on the lips, and it's like a nice peachy shade. It's a matte. It feels really good on the lips. It also does complement my complexion, and this is the full range that they sent out this month. So of course from here down, these are the April collection. This one's the freebie right here, swatched on my hand. But I definitely do think that this subscription is worth it. It did over exceed my expectations, just to tell you guys that much. I love all of the shades. Like the lip liners and the glosses, I guess that's something new that I'm gonna have to get used to because that's not like an everyday thing for me. But I'm highly satisfied with this subscription, and I will be doing these type of videos monthly going forward. Since I am subscribed so far, I am super impressed. So I plan on keeping the subscription, and that's gonna be it for today, guys. We're gonna wrap it all up. Please don't forget to show your girl some love by giving her some big thumbs up, like, comment, share, and subscribe if you are new to my channel. And I hope to see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.